Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code Block. So in this series actually मैं लीड कोड की प्रॉब्लम को वन बाय वन सॉल्व करने करूँगा और इन दिस सीरीज में जो भी प्रॉब्लम आएगा उसका प्रोसेस क्या है, मतलब उसका बेस सोल्यूशन क्या है, सोल्यूशन का मतलब कितना ऑप्टिमाइज तरीके से मैं इसको सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ, मैं बताऊँगा। ओके, तो चलिए पहला प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं। So first problem is to sum. So you are given an array of integers nums and an integer target. Okay, return indices of two numbers such that they add up to the target. Okay, to the sample test cases. Okay, so first input is nums, that is an our array, and then target is 9. Okay, so in this example, so here in the zeroth okay, so zeroth position number is 2 and the first position number is 7. Okay, so and their sum is our target, that is 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So that's why they are returning their indices, that means 0 index and first index. Okay, and they return them inside an array. Okay, so we have to first of all we have to check that which numbers summation is 9, and then we have to return their indices inside an array. We have to store them inside the array and then we have to return back. Okay, let's go to solve this. So first of all we are taking a list and we are storing the indices inside the list. Okay, so list integer, I am taking a linked list. Okay, now I have to take I have to take two nested for loops. Okay, for integer I is equal to 0, I less than here nums dot length. Okay, nums dot length, that means array size. Okay, and I plus plus. After that I have to take another for loop for integer j is equal to I plus 1, j less than nums dot length, that means array it's less than array length. Okay, gth, and then after that j plus plus. And now I have to put our condition, that means we have to check the summation. Okay, so nums of I, okay, and plus nums of j, it must be equals to target. Okay, अगर ये टारगेट से मैच हो गया तो हमको उन दोनों का इंडिसेस लिस्ट में ऐड करना पड़ेगा, दैट मीन्स लिस्ट डॉट ऐड. If the target data matches, then we have to add their indices into the list. So list dot add of I, and we have to list the also j, list dot add j. Okay, now as we have to return our indices inside a array. Okay, so now we have to put the indices into the array. Okay, so for this reason we have to take an array, integer array, and here integer size is list size. Okay, so list dot size, and now we have to store our list elements into the array. Okay, so integer I is equal to 0, I less than list dot size, and then I plus plus, and now we have to put them inside this our array. So array of I is equal to list dot get of I, list dot get of I. Okay, and now we have to just basically return the array. So return array. Okay, now check output. So I think it's here we any simple mistake. Okay, so one thing I have to forgot to write here integer. Okay, we have to declare its data type. Now it accepted. Okay, now we have to submit our code, and it accepted. Okay, So this is the solution of this problem, the two sum. Okay.